Hi, this video is about a new little program written with Scratch. It is about the Roman numeral conversion. Recently I've written a program in Python on that subject, but now I realized the program also with Scratch, and you have to select the level from 1 to 10, level 2 from 10 to 100, level 3 100 to 1000, and level 4 1000 to 4000. So you have the letters, and here you have to write the correct Roman numeral. Perfetto. The score is updated every time. If you do a mistake, you can correct it before to press the button for check the result. And if you do a mistake, the score is updated, and you lost 1 point. So this is the game. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching this video.